Let's recreate together this Instagram post in Canva. Let's start on our homepage, click on Create an Instagram post. I chose this format here. And the Instagram post is about Oktoberfest, which is the world's biggest beer and folk festival in Germany. So I was searching for a beer image, a clean one. I liked this one here. And now I am going to add this as the background of my post. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to center it a bit like this. And I'm going to write Oktoberfest there. So I'll just select the text heading. And now I'm typing Oktoberfest there. And now I'm going to capitalize that and change its font. So I know already what I'm looking for. I need something more clean and something that looks good and bold. So I'm going for League Spartan, this font here. Yes, that's it. Now I'm going to change its color. I will search for a color within the image that I like to make it stand out. So I'll just click on the text and now you click there. And when you search for the colors, you take this and search for the color that matches the most or that you're looking for. I like something lighter like this. I think this is super good. It feels modern and it contrasts well in black. I'm just going to reduce its size a bit so that it fits better in the Instagram post and center it. So you see, I'm going to leave these spaces there, left and right. I can reduce a little bit more, so I think it looks cleaner for the purpose of this Instagram post. And now you just click on the text and duplicate it. What we're going to do, we're going to create that effect of fading. So go to Effects and click on Hollow. And now we're going to change its thickness to about 15. Yes, 17, 15 is good. And you see it looks super fine and thin. Now we're going to duplicate that, and to create that fading effect, we're going to reduce its transparency by clicking there. And let's find a transparency that works with this. I think 70 something, 75 will do. Yeah, it looks good. Now we're going to duplicate it again and reduce its transparency once more. Let me find a sweet spot here. Let's reduce it to 65. So 10 points each time. I think that creates a nice gradient fading effect. And we'll do it again now and reduce to 55. And once more, we're going to duplicate that text and reduce that to 45. This is looking good already. And now I need to put some text there into this part of the Instagram post. And for that, I'll need to add more black space that we have in this image. Then we're going to make it bigger so that we have more space for the text there without a conflicting contrast in the background. This is good already. And before inserting the text, I'm going to duplicate the image that we had and remove its background, as you can see, so that we'll have this effect that the beer is in front of the text. If you don't have Canva Pro for removing the background, there is an app here that you can use for removing it for free within Canva. Now it looks good, and what we're going to do next is to make sure that the image is positioned in front of the text. Now it happened to me that it was when I copy and paste it there, but if it doesn't, you go to position and you check that out, okay? And now you're going to select all the text again to make sure it is well aligned. Go to position again and look for arrange. This way you can tidy up and it will make the lines between those sentences or between those words align perfectly. So now you're sure that your design looks professional and it is really well aligned, okay? And now what we're going to do is we are going to insert the further text in this Instagram post. I am going to place it there, and I'm going to use the same font that I used before, League Spartan. I'm going to change its color to white. It's nice for contrast, but it also has, like you see in the foam of the beer, you have also white. So I think it kind of talks to the image as well. So I'm just going to insert this text now. This is the date of the festival that I am typing in now. Now I'm going to reduce its size. That's good. I'm going to duplicate now this text and insert some more information about the festival, like what you can find there. And I am going to place it in the right position. So I'm going to, you see, it looks interesting already because it balances like with the beer, like the format of the beer there and the text. I think it looks nice and balanced, but I'm going to move these texts a bit above so they are more like into this black area of the post. And now I am going to add a line to separate them. So I'm going to elements and I'll search for line and I'll just add a simple line there. I'm going to make it look thinner and change its color to the same color of the letters Oktoberfest above and making it like 2 points thin, placing it between that information. I think it's nice to separate the information just a little bit. I'm holding Shift, as you see, to make a perfect line in Canva. That's a small hack that you can use. And I'm going to place this, I'm going to select all of these three elements, the information, the line, and the information below. And I'm going to place them a bit higher there, as you can see. I'm going to duplicate now that text and I'm going to add the name of the brewery that this Instagram post is posting about. In this case, I'm just using a fantasy name that we Canva creators use a lot, Porcello. And I'm just aligning that to the other text. And that's it. I hope that you like this effect and let me know when you try it out how it goes for you.